Hey guys, this is one of the recipe you must try, especially when you are trying it difficult to empty your bowels. Here I have lime, some ginger, and I'll be making use of some apples. You can use green apple if that's what you have. That's the granny apple. It works very well in this recipe. I have 2 large cucumbers. This is the size of the cucumber. And I have some spinach. You can use pumpkin leaf or kale leaf. 99% of women find it difficult to empty their bowels after giving birth. So this recipe helped me a lot because my doctor suggested that I buy medicine for emptying my bowel so that it will be easy for me when I want to use the toilet. But one mind just told me to go natural. So I just started having this every morning. And before you know it, I will have the urge to go and empty my bowl. And this recipe will help you to burn some fats, especially within your stomach area after giving birth. It helps a lot because it contains fiber, especially the spinach and the cucumber. It has a lot of fiber. You can juice it with a juicer, but I'll be blending it with my blender because I want to get all the fibers. But if you don't want the fiber, you can, after using your blender, you can sieve it with your cheesecloth. But for me, I need everything apart from the skin of the lime. So I'll be taking off the skin of the lime. Already diced the apple and the cucumber into smaller pieces so it will be easy for my blender to work on it. Once I'm done peeling off the lime, I will also dice it into smaller cubes just like so. Then it's ready to blend. I will just add everything inside my blender. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, remember to click the like button, share out my video to your family, your friends, and your colleagues, and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much, my oldies, for always coming back to watch my video. If you're new to my channel, you are much welcome. I'll be adding like 4 cups of water into this. You can add more or less water. And I will blend it for like a minute or two till everything is properly blended. You can add ice, but I'm doing a large quantity because I will be storing this in the fridge for a week. I drink this every morning once I wake up before eating, and this helps me a lot to empty my bowl after eating. So I finish up with the remaining one. I still have a little bit of spinach over there. So once I'm done blending, I will be adding everything together to mix it. Then after mixing it, I will divide it. I will be drinking today's own and store others in a container with lid and put inside my fridge, and it will stay for a week. And that is it for today's video. Bye.